Imagine opening YouTube and the first video on your homepage feels like it was picked just for you. That's not luck, it's the YouTube algorithm at work. The algorithm is basically a smart system designed to figure out what you want to watch and keep you engaged for as long as possible. But how does it decide what shows up on your screen? It's not random, it's based on your behavior. Every like, comment, share, or even the amount of time you watch a video sends a signal to YouTube about what kind of content you enjoy. The more you interact, the better it understands you. When you search for something, YouTube looks at relevance. That means it checks the title, description, and tags of a video to see if it matches what you are looking for. But relevance alone isn't enough. Watch time matters too. If people click on a video and watch it all the way through, that tells the algorithm it's worth recommending. On the other hand, if viewers leave after just a few seconds, that video will drop in recommendations. Another big factor is personalization. YouTube studies your watch history, the channels you subscribe to, and even the types of videos you have skipped. That's why two people searching for the exact same thing might see different results. The algorithm also pushes content that's currently trending or performing well with a wide audience. That's why viral videos spread so quickly. You watch one and suddenly similar content floods your feed. The ultimate goal of the algorithm isn't just to show random videos. It's to keep you on the platform longer. That's why it keeps suggesting a chain of videos one after another that it predicts you won't resist clicking. So next time you find yourself watching video after video, remember, it's not by accident. The algorithm has been carefully learning about you. If you are a creator, understanding this is key. Focus on making videos that hold attention, encourage likes and comments, and match what people are searching for. The better your video performs with viewers, the more the algorithm will push it out. In simple words, YouTube doesn't decide what goes viral. Viewers do. The algorithm just listens closely and amplifies what people already love. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's like your personal guide, learning from your actions, predicting your interests, and making sure you never run out of videos to watch. And for creators, it's both a challenge and an opportunity. Make content that truly connects with people, and the algorithm will do the rest. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like the video and share the video and subscribe my channel IT with Faisal. See you in the next video.